Hello guys, hi, welcome back to my channel Hacks in Your Hands. So guys, in this video I will be talking about we will create one node application. We will create one node server, and from there we will try to get requests from client on particular address, and we will just explore Axios, how to use Axios to send the REST API request from our server. So let's get started. So first of all, just check everything, like whether you have installed Node and all perfectly or not. So as of now, I've just created one folder in my computer on my desktop. It's just I would give a random name like Node app. So I will open CMD from here, just typing CMD from the address bar. As of now, just check if Node is working for you or not, npm is working for you or not. Just check the versions. Okay, fine. So before that, I would just open this whole folder in Visual Studio. So that would be code, I'm sorry, open CMD and then write code dot. So this will open this particular folder into the Visual Studio Code. Yeah, so you can see the Visual Studio Code is opened here. Now I will first create one index.js file just to create a server here, and I also want packet.json file. So whatever the dependencies I will install here, I want it to be get updated at that moment. So I will write npm init -y. So as you can see, the packet.json file is created. Now whatever the modules I will install here, it will get updated. So for example, we need, like here we need two things. We need Express and we need Axios. So first we'll install Express. Let's see, npm install Express. So whenever I will write an npm install Express, you can see the dependency in the Express is added here into the dependencies field. I will also install Axios. Okay, so that is also installed here. Now we are good to go. Now we will be creating the server using in the index.js file. So first of all, I will write Axios. I will just define all whatever the things we require. Okay, I've written for Axios. Now next thing would be Express. Okay, now I will just mention the port. So like I want the request on this port. I'm defining into constant. So yes, now like Axios, all dependencies are defined here. Now what I wanted to do, I want to define what my app is. So my app is running on Express. Now what I want to do here is, like, if any request will come, I want to listen that request on this particular port. So I will write like app.listen port. What I wanted to do, if any request will come up, I will just do into the console, like console.log running this application. Okay, so before that I want to use uh, the inbuilt variable, like running this application on this port, something like that. So I won't use double quotes here. I will use the key which is next to, like, below the escape key, below the tiled key. So running this application on the port, that would be like dollar port. So as you can see, the letter is converted into blue. Okay, like if any request will come up, just give me this, like this should be logged onto the console, right? And next thing I want to do is I just want to get request from this from the client. So I will write app.get. So app.get slash, and like slash means the whatever the I want to the point request. I don't want to slash, like I don't want to route the request somewhere else. So if any request will hit on my server, it will come up here, request response, and so request will come up. What I want to do, I want to send a response like hello there. Okay, that's it. So first I have done what app.listen, it will listen whatever the request will come up, and I will define app.get. So whatever the request will hit on the slash, I mean the root URL, it will send me a response like hello there. That's it. So I think let's just try how is it working or not. So how to run this application? Just write node space index.js. That's it. So you can see running this application on the port 8080. Now let's try whether it is working or not. Okay, I will open the browser, localhost 8080. That's it. So yeah, you can see like hello there is there, right? If I change here something, for example, hello there 1234, and if I stop the server and run again, and if I just reload this page, as you can see, hello there 1234. So our server is working fine. Now what I want to do here is I want to send few requests from here, from our application to some fake API server. Like this is the one I found on the internet. There are many API servers are there. Like you can taste your application. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I will just send the GET request using Axios. Uh, and if I send this request, it should this result should come up. Okay, so I will write Axios request for that. So it will be like Axios dot get. So what is the URL? This is the URL, and what exactly the request is slash API slash users and slash 2. Now if this is if once it will send the request, what will happen then so then result will come up. So I want to log that result somewhere. So it would be like this, console.log result, or else if there is any error, then just send me the error. That's it. Send the GET request to this server. If you find the result here, just give me the result here, or else and log the error. That's it. Now I will stop the server. I will run the application again, and yes, you can see it's a whole uh, like result section is here. How I can identify its result? It's not error, like because of the status. Because of the status is 200. Either is it like 400 or 404, it would go into the error part. But this is okay. Status is okay. So I don't want all these things. I just want the data. So result data, this data variable. So I will again run the server, and yeah, you can see like data we can fetch using Axios. So, and this is what they have told here, like you will get this type of data into the response. Yes. Now we have tried get request. Let's try something like post request. So this post request will, like, you will send this data and you will get the response like this. So let's try. I will stop the server and let's write Axios dot post. What is the URL? This is the URL, and what is this? API users. So API slash users. Okay, and I want to send this data in like along with this request. So what data I have to send? I have to send name and job. This is the two parameters I have to send along with the post request. So then what? Then same thing, like if result is there, just log me the result. Okay, same thing, result.data. And if error is there, it would be error. Just as of now, let's keep it like error. Now I will try to run the server again, and I will just comment out the get request so that we won't get confused. Okay, now let's try this running this application. Oh, okay, there's some error. Oh, yes. So the error is like I have uh, closed this bracket earlier, and it should come along with this parameters. So this bracket should complete here. Okay, let's just run this application again, and yeah, so it's running perfectly. Like we got the response which we wanted using Axios post request. Like one more thing I can show you, like instead of slash, you can write like if you want user to route somewhere another page like slash uh, store, something like this. Okay, now I will just write request response, and I would say request.send. This is store page, something like this. Now I will try to run the server again, and let's see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, these are all the Axios requests. What I want is localhost 8080 slash store. So yeah, it's working perfectly on the port 8080, and like if you just hit the slash, it will come up on the this part app.get slash part, and if you want store, it will come up like this is store page. So guys, this is how you can create a server on the Node application, like just to create a simple server. And you can also send Axios REST requests. You can, like, this is what I was shown for get and post. You can also try put, delete, whatever the REST request you want to try. You can try it out. So guys, I think this video is helpful for beginners and who wanted to try some new things on Node.js. So hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.